Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find fixer upper on Zillow. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Zillow app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are here on the search bar, what you need to do is simply type in the city, neighborhood or zip code where you want to find a home. You can also filter by property type, example single home, townhouse, etc. Use keywords to narrow down search like fixer upper, handyman special, need, TLC, renovation project, as is. Then next is to apply filters for condition and price. Set a lower price limit to find homes that are priced lower than average, often indicating they need work. Although Zillow doesn't have a specific filter for fixer upper, you can look at it property descriptions to determine if they need repairs. Homes built a long time ago may require a more update and repairs. Sometimes larger homes might need renovation, so use square footage filters accordingly. Next is to explore listings and descriptions. Read the listing details, look at the photos and look at the price reductions as well. Use Zillow's map feature to visually explore areas where fixer upper homes are available. Contact the listing agent if you find a home. And these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.